Isang dokumentaryong kinunan sa Pilipinas ang tampok sa Vancouver International Film Festival ngayong taon. Silipin ang Treasure of the Rice Terraces sa report na ito.
I want to experience that wisdom from a place where there's no foreign influence.
Isa lang ang ito sa mga eksena ng dokumentaryong Treasure of the Rice Terraces, gawa ni Filipino-Canadian film director Quintong Guines. Ang pelikula, ipalalabas sa Vancouver International Film Festival ngayon Oktubre.
Yung alam ko po kasi is Vancouver this year received 5,000 submissions in film, and we're one of the lucky ones of over 400 films programmed in the festival. So para po sa akin, big deal po talaga na makapasok sa VIT.
Ayon sa direktor na si Dong Guines, 5 taon ginawa ang dokumentaryo.
We did 3 different trips to the Philippines, all close to a month, so about 3.5 weeks. We've spent time in Buscalan Village for about 2 weeks, and then we went back to Manila, Boracay, and then back to Manila. So we were everywhere in the country.
Ang nasabing pelikula tungkol sa ancient indigenous batok tattooing ng mga Pilipino. Kasama rito, mga panayam kay 108-year-old mambabatok Apo Wangod at ang kanyang pamilya.
Sa daaba, raron, tamang kakato aaba, arara, sa dutsura, ng kakato
This was kept and well preserved by the village, and getting a batok tattoo not only from the apprentices but Apo Wangod herself really taught me what it truly means to have a tattoo.
Sa Huwebes, bubuksan ng Vancouver International Film Festival ang kanilang ticket orders. Ang Treasure of the Rice Terraces ipalalabas sa International Village Theatre 9 at sa Granville Island Stage October 5 at 6.
Kasi pag walang Filipino title, there's no Filipino community presence in a film festival. That's why I try to champion Filipino stories as much as possible, so that I get to invite the Filipino-Canadian community here in Vancouver, around the world, and in North America to make sure that they don't miss every opportunity when our stories are properly and authentically represented on screen.